click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we're going to talk about whether intraday trading is safe for you or not. If it is safe, perfect. If it is not, what exactly do you need to do in order to maximize your gains and minimize your losses? Let's get started. To a beginner, intraday trading may look like a safe and quick way to make profits, and that is exactly why it attracts many traders. But there is so much more to intraday trading than what appears on the surface. Intraday trading has high returns on investment, but along with high returns come higher risks, and that is exactly why there are multiple things an intraday trader needs to take care of. He must be attentive and on his toes every single minute. The intraday trading session starts from 9:30 a.m. in the morning, stands till 3:30 p.m. in the evening. It really depends on your trading style. Some traders rather, put in all 6-7 hours. Some do it for 1 or 2 hours. Again, depending on the trading style of the person. But whatever time you're putting in the intraday trading for your investments, you have to be attentive. You need to make sure you know what you are doing. You must be sure what exactly is happening in the market for what reasons. With time, you need to bring your expertise. Obviously, experience will also come, and you have to be rational by time. You don't really need to come up with your emotions. Don't bring in fear. Don't bring in greed. Be very sure that you're being objective all the time. You have to perform technical analysis. While we say we need to be objective, this is where it comes from. You have to crunch some numbers. With time, it will come. It can't really come from day one. But whenever you're performing technical analysis, you can use multiple trading platforms or trading tools. You have to have an understanding of studying charts, patterns, and at the same time need to recognize the market movements. You also be aware of what is happening in the market at macro and micro level and how exactly it can impact a specific sector or overall index for that matter. At the same time, you have to be sure you are putting your money in intraday trading. There is definitely a risk level involved there. So you should be good in risk management techniques too. Now let's spend some time in understanding what these risk management techniques are and what are the solutions you can come up with. First up, thorough research. Now this can't be said millions of times and you not understanding it. Thorough research needs to be done by an intraday trader before entering into a trade. You must be well aware of the sector or index as well, whichever you're looking to decide to put your money into, and also of the specific security without any doubt. Technical analysis helps in predicting the movement of the prices of the securities, and fundamental analysis of the company is also very important, even if you're putting your money at an intraday level. Then strategy plays a very crucial role in intraday trading. Success or failure of a particular intraday trading strategy totally depends on the market as well. A strategy may be working for you in the market conditions today, but it might not work for you tomorrow as well. So be very sure that it's not the strategy but also the overall market momentum that decides your overall profits. You have to be very flexible and adaptable as per the market conditions. You have to be practicing those strategies, working on the skills and constantly adjusting to new scenarios and adapt those strategies accordingly. Some traders are very active. They do many trades a day with large position sizes, catching even the small price movements, while there are others who trade only on specific news events or only on tendencies that they have well researched. So following an effective strategies without any doubt has to be the way forward. Then of course you need to choose your stocks wisely. Whatever strategies you put in, whatever technical indicators, whatever charts you are studying, if you are not starting well, if you have not chosen the stocks rightly, then obviously the destination will not be that amazing too. To remain safe in intraday trading, it is advisable to trade in liquid stocks, the ones which trade in high volumes. The intraday traders should also trade in stocks that have a strong correlation with major sectors and indices. This basically helps you to avoid unpredictable stocks like small cap stocks which trade in low volumes, and at the same time their price movement is very hard to predict. So if you want to be very safe, put your money in 1 or 2 large cap liquid stocks, and volume should be kept constant to stay safe in intraday trading. Then be very mindful of the risk. The risk you are taking must be completely aligned with the risk appetite you have. Going by the volatility of the intraday markets, an intraday trader must only risk as much as he is willing to lose. Due to probably 1 or 2 wide swings in the market, the entire capital can be swept in one trade itself. So to be safe in intraday trading, you must keep a cushion and not get carried away. Don't get fear, don't get greed. Definitely don't get greed in market situations, because you can end up losing all the money you have earned or you have had. Then you must book your profits regularly. In order to stay safe in intraday trading, a trader has to let go of his greed. In the anticipation of making further profits, a greedy intraday trader may end up losing all the profits he made from the previous trends. Now, let's take an example. If a trader puts in 100 rupees and buys some stocks for a target price of 120, he also puts up a stop loss of rupees 90. Now, let's say for instance the price goes up to 140 rupees. If you are smart enough, you will book profit and raise that stop loss to 135. What's happening in this case is you are resolving your profits and also avoiding risks and losses. So make sure you're booking your profits every time you gain something. Finally, you must always use stop loss. This is the most efficient risk management technique in intraday trading. Before entering into a trade, the trader must define his escape strategy. Whenever you go to a mall, whenever you go to your office, you must always see that there is some sort of emergency door, emergency getaway. This is what its stop loss is. This is your emergency getaway. If you are putting your money, let's say you're buying it for 10,000 rupees. Let's say you bought a stock of 100 rupees, you got 100 stocks there. You need to put a stop loss there. It could be 75, it could be 85 rupees, anything. It depends on your risk appetite. But make sure that you are putting in the stop loss in the first place. So these were all some of the strategies that can keep you safe if you want to do intraday trading. Now, to get the answer of the question we initially started the video with, if intraday trading is safe, the point is yes, it is. But with terms and conditions apply. If you're putting in your money without following any of these things, just going there, hearing what others have to say, then putting in your money, then obviously it's nothing but gamble. You're just gambling your money. You're not thinking clearly. You're not putting your head there. And that is why you will end up with losses. But if you're following some of these strategies, if you're being very objective, staying away from greed, learning some technicals there, and then putting in your trades, there is no way that you are going to be a failure. So make sure you follow all of these strategies and be successful in your intraday trading. If you want to learn the whole thing, you can check out digitalblogger.com/intraday trading safe. This article is available both in English and in Hindi for our Hindi loving viewers. If you want us to suggest a broker that matches your requirements, check out the other link, digitalblogger.com/free stock broker suggestion. Put in your details. We will arrange a call back for you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. In case you did, like the video, share the video, and definitely subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger. Thank you so much again for watching this. Bye-bye.
You don't get